Hey everyone, welcome back to Speakly English. I'm Alex, and today we're going to focus on something that every English learner truly needs: daily English conversation practice. Now, many people study English for years. They learn grammar, they memorize vocabulary, but when it comes to real conversations, they struggle, they hesitate, they feel nervous, and sometimes they don't know what to say.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma, and this is such an important topic because English is not just a subject, it's a skill. And like any skill, it improves with practice, especially daily practice. The more you use English in real-life situations, the more natural it becomes. And the best part is, you don't need complicated sentences. Simple, everyday conversations are enough to build confidence.
Exactly. Today, we're going to walk you through real-life conversations that you can use every day, at home, at work, with friends, or even when talking to yourself. We'll show you how to respond naturally, how to keep the conversation going, and how to feel more comfortable while speaking.
Yes, and we'll guide you step by step with simple phrases, real emotions, and practical examples. So relax, listen carefully, and imagine yourself speaking with us. Alright, Alex, let's start with a very simple situation. Meeting someone in the morning. I'll say something natural, and you respond like you would in real life. Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, Emma. I'm doing pretty well today. Thank you for asking. I feel quite relaxed because I had a good night's sleep, and I started my morning slowly. I didn't rush, which really helped me feel calm and focused. So overall, I'd say I'm feeling positive and ready for the day.
That's a great answer. And I want our listeners to notice something. Alex didn't just say, I'm fine. He added feelings, reasons, and details. This is how you turn a simple answer into a real conversation.
Yes, exactly. And if you're not feeling great, you can also be honest. For example, you can say, I'm a bit tired today because I didn't sleep well, but I'm trying to stay positive. This sounds natural and real.
Let's move to another situation. Imagine you meet a friend and ask about their day. You might say, how's your day going so far? This is very common in daily English.
An natural answer could be something like this. My day is going quite well so far. I've been busy with work, but everything is going smoothly. I feel a bit tired, but I'm managing. It's simple, but it shows your situation clearly.
Yes, and if your day is not going well, you can say, it's been a bit stressful today, but I'm trying to handle everything step by step. Again, honest and natural.
Let's talk about another daily situation. Talking about plans. You can ask, what are you planning to do today? Or, do you have any plans for today?
And you can answer like this. I have a few things to do today. I need to finish some work, and then I might relax in the evening. Or, I don't have many plans, so I'm just going to take it easy.
That's perfect. And listeners, notice how we connect sentences. Instead of giving short answers, we combine ideas to sound more fluent.
Yes, and let's talk about one more situation, talking at home. Imagine you're speaking with a family member. You might say, what do you want to eat today? Or should we go out or stay home?
And the answer could be, I feel like eating something simple today. Maybe we can cook at home. Or, I prefer to go out because I want to change. These are very real-life sentences.
Exactly. And here's something important. Daily conversations are not about perfect grammar. They are about communication. Even simple sentences can create meaningful conversations.
Yes, and repetition is key. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they become. All right, now it's time to practice. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing well. Thank you. My day is going well so F.A.R.
Great. Now let's try longer sentences. I feel a bit tired today, but I'm trying to stay positive. I have a busy day, but I'm managing everything. I don't have many plans today, so I will relax.
Now combine everything. Good morning. I'm doing well today. I feel a bit tired, but I have a few plans, and I'm trying to stay positive.
Repeat it again slowly. Speak clearly and confidently.
All right, everyone. We've reached the end of today's episode. Remember, Daily practice is the key to fluency.
Yes, speak every day, even if it's just a few sentences. Small steps lead to big progress.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn.
And tell us in the comments. What do you say in your daily conversations?
Take care, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode of Speakly English.